Introducing the Mortise electronic lock. The PF1 with fingerprint and Bluetooth technology allows you to either simply use your unique fingerprint to unlock to your door or via your smartphone with no additional hubs or modules required. Make your life easier and more secure. The PF1 allows you to unlock to your door via the free smartphone application. Receive real-time arrival notifications to know when someone is at your door. To view a history log of who is coming in and out of your home at what times. Through the app, you can also send digital keys to friends or family with unlimited access or timed access, which can be used for share houses or Airbnb. The Mortise electronic lock, very sleek designed, with a fingerprint scanner handle that is easy to use and effortless. This lock comes with a biometric fingerprint scanner that can store up to 100 users for added security. Entry options include unlimited mobile phones, 150 users PIN code, or 200 RFID cards and backup keys. The Mortise electronic lock security features included abilities: a voice guiding system allowing the registration process to be quick and easy, to have your lock automatically lock when the door closes, easily reset codes for guests, dog walkers, or contractors. Alarm will be on if anyone attempts to break in with Tesla coils or high voltage damage the lock. Night latch function for anti-unlock from outside through the door gaps or door viewer. Safety button design to prevent unexpected release of the door lock by kids or pets from inside. If entering during the night, sound can be muted for quiet entrances by mobile app. Interconnected function in both interior and exterior side. Lift interior or exterior lever upward can unlock the door, making the door is unlocked one simple movement.